Got a little unboxing video today for you. Gonna be doing the engine mounts and transmission mount from Cusco. Also got some white line cross member bushings in the box over here. So let's just get the box open and see what you get. So here we go. I got the tape cut already. This came from Subi Mods. So this is how it was packaged from Subi Mods. See, open it up. Got your big pillow wrap. There's the white line cross member bushings. We'll get this little box out. See what these mounts look like. And see what you get here. Of course, instructions, and I knew that they weren't going to be in English there, so let's see what we can do about that. You can see the mounts are pretty good, pretty well wrapped, bubble wrapped. Your transmission brace, and then of course the motor mounts themselves. Cut the wrap on these, let you see what one looks like. So I went with these simply because my build's not going to be that extreme, and if they work on 800 horsepower Bader built cars, I feel that my little build here won't tax these hardly at all. As you can see, very nice quality overall. So we'll cut the tape on this trans brace here. See what it looks like. See, it's a pretty nice quality overall, you can tell. So say I think everything made by Cusco is pretty good quality. No issues there. I've not heard too many issues about Cusco quality, Cusco, ever how you want to say it. So we'll get these installed. Probably do the trans brace first and the bushings, just because they're easier to get at than the motor mounts. But stay tuned for an install video, and leave a like if you like the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.